Here, you'll see examples of embedded AI inside SOLIDWORKS today. These are AI capabilities that are directly integrated into the product experience. They don't require the user doing anything extra, and they enhance the tools engineers already use by accelerating selections, predicting actions, repairing geometry, and automating repetitive modeling or documentation tasks. Let's take a look at a few of these examples of embedded AI that exist inside SOLIDWORKS today. Repairing sketches can always be a challenge. Many times as we modify and delete geometry, it can cause downstream ramifications. In this case, when we come in here to display delete relations, the built-in embedded AI inside SOLIDWORKS automatically repairs those, eliminating the need for the manual fixing of the missing relations in the sketch. One of my favorite is a tool called Command Predictor. This uses transformer-based AI trained on anonymized workflows from thousands of users. It predicts your next command based on context, whether you're sketching, modeling, or an assembly. It offers up to 10 likely commands in a simple toolbar, keeping you in the flow and eliminating you to the need from going and jumping back and forth between different toolbars and different shortcuts. If the prediction isn't right, you can quickly search within the same toolbar, and it saves you clicks, reduces interruptions, and streamlines the workflow as we're designing inside SOLIDWORKS. Modifying assemblies can always be a little bit of a challenge. In this case, the embedded AI helps us resolve mates that are repaired or that are linked to geometry that no longer exist. In this case, if we go ahead and use the auto repair, the embedded AI agent is going to evaluate the existing geometry and automatically fix those missing mates, reattaching them to new surfaces. As we build and switch through configurations, the embedded AI makes this a more seamless user interface. What you just saw were examples of embedded AI improving specific tasks inside SOLIDWORKS. This requires nothing of the user and is already embedded in the SOLIDWORKS that we all know and trust.